Number 23, which is a solution to this? So two fractions equal, what are we going to do? Cross multiply. So little means extremes, butterfly method. So I have n times the 4n minus 37 equals 10 times 3, or better known as 30. I distribute here, I'm going to get a 4n squared minus 37n equals 30. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to move my 30 over. I'm going to have it set equals 0. Now, I could sit here and bust B and try to solve this. That's going to be a bit of a pain. I could plug these values in and see, or I could go to Desmos and simply graph this guy and see, hey, what is the solution here? It'll draw a nice line right at where the answer happens to be. Or you could go to Desmos at the very beginning, just in case you made a mistake with distributing or something, and plug that in. And that's what I'm going to do, or did do. I simply set the equation. You can see it crossed right here. Now, I can't see the solution, but as I zoom in, we can see that it's up between negative 0.7 and negative 0.8. So it looks like it's in the dead center. It looks like it's negative 0.75. So if we come back here, negative 0.75 is who? Choice D, which is who it is. Now, the other thing, you would have an option here if it doesn't factor, and it might not, appears as if it probably doesn't. What you could do is you could use, what is that thing called? Opposite of B, quadratic formula. You could use, remember, the opposite of B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A, with this being A, this being B, and this being C. Though it's going to be ugly. Again, being able to use Desmos is going to be your best option here.